Yo, E36 is rip, bro. Alright guys, welcome to today's video. We are, whoa, my lens is super dirty. We are heading to Thunderhill today. I'm just picking up Jones. We got his little pitter. You gotta pull up on it pretty hard. I got you. It's an old truck. Nice, he's got his ramp. So we're headed over to Thunderhill. There's a huge event, just like all the homies rented out the skid pad. Of course, my car's not done, it's not ready, so I'm not driving, but I did bring my helmet, brought the camera obviously, bringing Jones. So we're gonna go have a good time, film some stuff, and get some ride-alongs, and maybe even drive some cars, some of the homies' cars, so we'll see. We're gonna probably go get some coffee and food first, because your boy had a Halloween party last night, and is tired. All right, see you guys when we get there. All right guys, just made it over to Thunderhill. We're gonna do a little drive through the pit. What's up? Look at these guys. Damn, I'm surrounded.
Just sit there and spray like that.
How's this thing?
About to find out.
Yeah, first laps?
First laps today.
All right. Are you in the daily?
Yes, I am.
What's up, buddy?
Hey, what's up, buddy?
You excited?
Hell yeah, I'm excited.
All right, let's see it, bro. I'm gonna come ride with you after, okay?
Okay, I'm down. Yeah, show me a thing.
Hey, all right, guys. We are in my homie Sean's car right now. This is his first drift event, first 240. So I'm gonna just kind of ride along, give him some pointers. We'll see if we can help him out.
Hell yeah.
Maybe I'll take a lap. Ooh, I don't know. All right, we're getting up there. I'm gonna put my helmet on. So it took Sean's coupe for a couple of runs, and first run it was like super understeer. Also, it's all stock front end, like stock angle, stock arms, everything. So, you know, there's like a little less front grip than what I'm used to, but what you'd want your car set up for. So I'm gonna help him try to maybe lower tire pressure, or I don't know. We'll see if we can make it feel a little bit better. But the second lap that I did felt way better. One thing that we take for granted is like seat, steering wheel, seatbelt setup. Like stock seat, stock seatbelt, stock steering wheel feels completely different than having like a bucket setup and harnesses and all that. So just something to note. Guys, this engine bay is so mint. I love this. I wish mine looked like this.
What's up, dude?
How you doing? How's the car?
Oh, bro, did you catch that last time?
You should have if you did it.
I was watching.
Dude, it was pretty damn good.
Yeah?
Now I'm getting way more comfortable coming at this freaking last wall and sitting at lock for a second.
Yeah.
No flash photos, bro.
No flash, don't worry, you're good.
No photos either, it's video.
Alright guys, well, whoa, it's hecka dark over here. It's been a pretty good day so far. I've just done some ride-alongs, some driving, some just filming, just kind of hanging out. It's been a good day. I'm gonna kind of put the camera down for a little bit. I'm gonna ride this pit bike a little bit. Jones let me borrow it. So I'm gonna pit around and just go hang out with some homies and yeah, we'll kind of see where the day goes. So anyway, hope you guys are enjoying the video.